Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Instagram profile. This is useful for businesses as it allows customers to easily contact you via WhatsApp, which you might prefer over Instagram messages. So first, ensure that your Instagram account is set up correctly. After that, tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and then select the three lines in the top right. From here, you need to go ahead and access the Insights and Tools section. Go ahead and look for the option of Insights and Tools or Account Types and Tools and select it. Now choose Switch to Professional Account if you haven't already. Go to Account Type and select Professional. Select the category that best describes you and choose whether to display it on your profile or not. After you've switched it, choose whether you're a creator or business and tap on next, and you can enter your contact information and choose do not use my contact info now to add it later. Now on your profile, go ahead and select edit profile option. Now find and select contact option. Here select WhatsApp business phone number. A phone number will be displayed which is associated with your account. You can choose this and proceed. But if you want to enter a different number, select a different number section and enter your WhatsApp business number in this section and tap on send code, verify, and it will be added to your profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.